We'll wait for the rest of the class. I think they're stuck there only, playing the puzzle. Yes, Ikansh, tell me.
Do you know
Yeah,
the opposite of my name?
Ikansh, opposite of your name. No, I don't know. What is it?
Snake.
Snake?
Yes. EKANSH. Ma'am, H is silent. Ma'am, C. I'm writing.
Ikansh, what is the name? What is the meaning of your name?
I don't know.
Very good. I had
I
Arabi the
know
other
my
day.
name's meaning.
What
Ma'am,
is
I
it?
mostly done only.
Shankar Bhagwan.
Ah, right.
And mine is mostly done only.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra Master.
ma'am, me and Rudra are same in 3 class from 3 years.
Since 3 years.
Ma'am, from second grade in we are from second.
Since
Ma'am,
grade 2.
my name's meaning is whole. Ma'am,
Whole.
Ma'am means whole one, complete. Whole,
Okay.
entire.
WHOLE, whole.
Yes.
So what is the opposite? Snake? Not possible.
Ma'am, why the snake? I get to the last.
Ma'am,
Yes, Trisha.
What, ma'am?
What?
Ma'am, you called
Ma'am, my name's opposite is Ardur. Ardur.
What is that?
I also don't know.
Ma'am, my opposite of my meaning is care. My name's meaning is care, and its opposite is hatred.
Okay. Where are the children? Only 17 here. The rest of them are
People
still.
have forgot.
ma'am, write in the classroom. They will think that it is a break. Writing in the chat box, they will think that it is a break or something.
I'm writing in 5B. Please join the English class fast.
Ma'am, can I present and show I have done mostly done? Ma'am, see this.
Good morning, Catherine ma'am, once again.
Where were you stuck?
Good morning, ma'am. Once again.
Good. Where were you all stuck? Yeah, Trisha has almost finished the jigsaw. Very nice, Trisha. But Trisha, the top line is missing, no? The top line is missing.
I'm doing that.
Today we are going to begin with a new chapter, chapter number 14, grammar.
Punctuation.
Chapter number 14, page 84. Page number 84. Please take out page number 84, all of you.
Ma'am, which unit?
What, Rudra?
Unit number.
14. 1, 4, 14.
Ma'am, which page number we have to take out?
84. 84, 84.
Which book?
Grammar.
Oh,
Punctuation
okay.
would be grammar, no?
Ma'am, I have a mobile, open mobile.
Mm.
I play games on it. Mama, hutta soni hai, bajjawa khen. Chul. Papa mobile se chul.
Ma'am,
Okay, I think we are almost 24.
Ma'am, you listen the poem now today.
Yeah. That reminds me. All of you, please join together at 12:30. Together.
Okay.
Reminder. All of you
Okay.
will join together at 12:30 for the speaking skills
Reading.
class.
Ma'am, 5 we will also be there.
5B is only
5B,
here. No?
we are only
No, no,
5B.
5B.
5A, sorry, 5A.
No. 5A has already had their speaking skills class on Wednesday and Thursday. So tomorrow is a holiday, no? So that's why I'm taking both the classes today. Okay, let's begin. So what is punctuation? What is punctuation? Why do we use punctuation?
Ma'am, for emotions.
For emotions?
So, like surprised, we use the exclamation.
Ma'am, can I say?
For expressing something, right? Yes,
Or
tell
from
me.
various signs.
Various? Various what?
Signs.
Signs.
SIGNS. He's talking about.
You're talking about various signs. Rudra Master,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
just
He's
keep
talking.
quiet after saying something for 10 minutes. And I keep asking.
He's talking about SIGNS signs.
So I called out twice, no? Various signs. Various
Ma'am,
signs.
listening.
He's not answering. And Rudra, I can only see your forehead. This much.
Ma'am, like yes.
Okay. Yeah. No. Yash is like this corner. He's in the corner of the class. Why don't people sit like me? You can see half of me. I can only see faces, one eye, forehead, left eye. This is what I see of you people. I should send a screenshot to you all. Like Ayush, I always see most of the times I only see his AC. But I know that he's there.
See,
I only see his AC.
see.
What? What Ayush? Yeah. See? You people can't see yourself. How much can ma'am see of you?
No.
Huh? You can see, no? In one of the windows, we can see ourselves. How much ma'am can see us?
Ma'am,
Dhyan Dalal, what are you trying to show me, beta? What is it? It is off. It is off.
Ma'am, cause it's the wallpaper, no?
Huh? I have tagged you. So what? It's a wallpaper.
Yes.
Wallpaper
Why
of
is it
Ganpati.
Yes, so why can't I put it?
Okay. So punctuation are the marks in grammar language that we use to express something, to put pauses in our sentences or in our text when we are reading, to express emotions, feelings, surprise, doubt. Yes, Ekansh, what's your question?
which poem would come today?
Huh? Which poem? Which poem? We're doing punctuation.
In that,
Ma'am, he's talking about speaking skills.
Very good. Good morning, Ekansh. I had posted this 1 week back, I suppose, more than that you have to prepare a speech or a poem on Gandhiji or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Ma'am,
And
can
come
I say
prepared
first?
for it in the 12:30 class today.
Ma'am, can I say
Vedi,
first?
what is
I will learn.
Vedi?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Can I say first the poem?
can I say?
Poem. Gandhiji.
Vedi, right now English class is going on. Can you keep quiet?
Ma'am, in speaking skills class, you will ask from down to up, not up to down.
Okay, done. Done. Okay, so what are the punctuation marks that we use in the grammar language and what do they mean? The first one, we use a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark at the end of a sentence. So, when there is a full stop, that means from the beginning to the end, that is one sentence. Okay, from the beginning to that mark, it is a sentence. We use a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark at the end of a sentence. We cannot put it in the middle. For example, I am saying Anushka, Rahil, Nishita. No, I am saying Anushka, comma, Rahil, full stop, Vivan, comma, Ayush have kept their cameras off. You cannot put a full stop in between. I cannot put a full stop.
Check, I have 2 devices.
Why are you logged into 2 devices?
Ma'am, can I go?
Ma'am, it's easy to chat. That's why I logged in the Gandhiji because the Gandhiji class because I wanted to type na and I couldn't in my iPad.
So now
Ma'am?
you remove, no? Why are you logged in through?
Ma'am,
Okay,
can I go?
Yeah, Anushka, tell me.
Can I go to washroom?
Yeah. So, look at the examples given below. Dolphins are intelligent animals. So, we have finished the sentence. So now I am telling you something. I'm giving you information. That's why. What will come in the end? There, what will come in the end?
Ma'am?
There is busy somewhere else on other websites.
No, sir.
Ma'am?
अरे no, sir, क्या ma'am? I am.
So, what did I ask? Huh? What did I ask? What am I teaching?
Punctuation.
What did I ask you?
I don't know.
Because you're busy somewhere else. Khevna, what did I ask?
Ma'am, you asked that dolphins are intelligent animals. So what will so I'm giving you said you are giving a fact. So what will come at the end? And a full stop will come at the end.
Good. So, dolphins are intelligent animals. It's an information that I'm giving you. That's why it should end with a full stop. For example, I am teaching English. What is it? I'm giving you information. So, what will come? Full stop.
Full stop.
Ayush, tell me.
Yes. Ma'am, there are different types of sentence also based on this, na? Like
Yeah.
this is sentence will be a declarative sentence, a question mark sentence will be an interrogative sentence, whereas an exclamation exclamation mark at the end will be an exclamatory sentence.
And which topic are we doing, Ayush?
Full stop.
Punctuation.
Punctuation.
We'll do sentences later. Huh? Are dolphins intelligent animals? I am asking a question, so my statement will end with a question. Okay, so that whenever somebody is reading the text, he understands that this is a question for someone. How intelligent dolphins are. So that's an exclamation. I am expressing, wow, dolphins are intelligent animals. So I'm exclaiming. So that becomes a exclamation statement, exclamatory sentence. So we end with an exclamation mark. Yes, Ayush.
No, I have a doubt. If somehow we ask how intelligent dolphins are, so if we know that how intelligent they are, then it's not a question, but exclamatory sentence. But when we don't know, it's not.
No, I am surprised at the fact that how intelligent the dolphins are. So that's why I am putting an exclamation.
So if we put in a question mark, then or an exclamation mark, then we will know, na?
Why
How
will I put a
intelligent-
question? One sec. Why will I put a question mark when I say how intelligent dolphins are? I have
You
just come to
asking-
know.
You are asking somebody how intelligent dolphins are. I don't know.
No, Baba, we do not use the word how only for questions. Okay? We do not use the word how only for questions. For example, I'm giving you a sentence. For example,
Ma'am, you use it in question also, na? How?
when we use it in a question, we need to tell the process. How does the sun rise? How does the earth move? We have to tell the process. But that's the question.
So the question I'm saying, it has to be formed like how intelligent how intelligent dolphins are. How intelligent are
How
dolphins?
how come the dolphins are intelligent while the other animals are not? Okay. Yes or no?
No, ma'am. When we want to ask
Vedi,
how
Salya,
intelligent are they? What is
will
their
you
IQ?
stop
Then
playing
how
with the
would we ask?
buttons and disturbing the class with that tongue?
Disturbing, it's a doubt. I'm not able to understand.
That's what. She's ringing the bell without a bell.
Okay, then I will not ask it out.
Okay, so how intelligent the dolphins are when we are surprised at something, when we are surprised to see something unusual. Why did the person call dolphins intelligent and not the fishes intelligent? Why did he not call how intelligent the whales are? Why Ayush? This will answer your question.
Ma'am, he
If
didn't
you've
ask
ever
us
seen
because-
a dolphin show, not in reality, maybe on a TV or Discovery Channel, you must have seen that dolphins can be trained. Dolphins can be trained to perform
Yes, ma'am.
tasks. They can move like this. They can jump outside the water. They have been trained to, pose with the tourists and give selfies.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have seen dolphins in real life, trained dolphins.
Huh. So that's why they are called intelligent, because they have brains more than the other animals, the fishes and the
Yeah, big time. 6
So
times
that-
bigger than
Even the
whale.
dolphins who live in the sea, those who are not trained, if we need help, they will come.
yeah, of course. So they're more
yes,
And they
they are very.
also do some type of dolphin sound to track.
whistle, yeah, the
Whistle.
whistle.
Is there
Okay.
some type of
Yes, ma'am.
track and some other.
Yes, ma'am. That fact is true. That dolphins and even some other animals like dogs and cats can be trained, and even parrots are smarter. But whatever.
So
This and the bee also.
They have an extra skill. They have an extra cell in their brain through which they can copy our sentences and speak them in the human language.
correct. So that's why I am exclaiming, because the other creatures cannot. So I'm exclaiming how intelligent dolphins are. Okay.
Ma'am, dolphins are almost
How
as
pretty she
intelligent as-
is looking. How pretty she is looking. So I'm surprised. She's looking so pretty. I'm saying how pretty she is. How graceful she is. Right? So I'm exclaiming. Vedi, Salya, where are you? It's time to go, beta. Have a nice day. Nice weekend. Disrupting the class since the time she's joined in. Sending me emojis. Okay. A comma. A comma is used to separate words or phrases in a sentence after introductory words, sometimes, such as yes, no, well, oh, etc., to separate the names of listener from the rest of the sentence, and also to show a pause or a break between parts of a sentence, and also for a list. When we are giving a list, for example, I'm telling you tomorrow we will have test of chapter 6 comma chapter 7 comma chapter 8 and chapter 9. So what am I doing? I will not write tomorrow we have a test of chapter 7, chapter 8, chapter 9, chapter 10. I will put a comma in between to separate each one of them. Okay, so that's a list that I'm starting. So in a list, when you want to separate the items, you put a comma. For example, I have to prepare for a birthday party. So what will I do? I am going to the market to buy some decorative items. So I will put in my list, I'm going to the market to buy balloons, comma, steamers, comma, cake, comma, whatever. Okay. So
Ma'am?
yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, in the list there are two types of lists. The list in a sentence or even the list that is given up to down, like in a list.
In a list, when it is given up to down, it is numbered.
Number,
It is
yes.
numbered. One balloon, 2 cake, 3 steamer, like that. But when we are using it in a sentence, we put a comma. Okay. So, and another thing, as it is saying here, yes, no. When we are answering somebody's question, for example, Ayush, have you understood the use of comma? So Ayush says, yes, comma, I have understood this. Okay. We will not say when we are writing, yes, comma, I have understood this, full stop. But if I am reading the punctuation, I will read it with comma. But when I have to express it, when I'm reading a text or a book or a story, I have to express it. For example, if I'm reading a question, are dolphins intelligent animals? And I read it like this. Dolphins are intelligent animals. Are dolphins intelligent animals? How intelligent dolphins are? Did you get what is the expression here? Did you get what's the expression here? But if I read like, dolphins are intelligent animals. Are dolphins intelligent animals? How intelligent the dolphins are. So you get to know the expression here. Yes, Anna.
Ma'am, right now my brother was doing his class, so he got an announcement that there will be a holiday from 15 October to 19 October. Yes?
On account of the Shira. We'll be posting this in the
Ma'am, 15 to 19.
What?
15 October to 19 October.
15 October. I'm telling you the date. Wait, what is this, Anna? You're disturbing my class. 15 October to 19 October will be going for the Shera holidays, and 30th October to 14 November will be going for Diwali break.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
the Diwali holiday is a big one.
Yeah, we're going to have fun. Go to Delhi and visit the museum.
Ma'am, can you say one more time?
Who is this?
Ma'am, really, I'm going to Delhi. In the Diwali vacation.
I'll be posting this in the class. Don't worry, children.
Okay, ma'am. So I will go for a Goa trip for football.
Or go to Delhi. Ma'am, I sent chat box something.
But it's raining heavily there. It's raining heavily there.
Ma'am, in reality, we are going to Delhi in Diwali holidays.
Seriously, please visit this museum and click pictures for us. And then we'll see it in the class. Okay? Click
No,
lots
I'm
of
telling
pictures.
my mother to go to Delhi.
She is going to Delhi, so she will visit this museum and she will click pictures for us. Deresha, your screen is stuck. I don't know, where are you?
Ma'am, I'm here only. My screen is black.
No. It is not black. It is, you are there, but you're stuck, frozen.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
need to rejoin.
Let's see the examples. 20 students, comma, 3 teachers and 2 helpers went for the trip. Now, another thing that you need to remember in English grammar is we don't use numbers, the digits I'm talking about. We don't use digits. So see, they've not written 20 students, they've not written 3 teachers, and they've not written 2 helpers. Okay, so when you're writing numbers in English, you have to spell those numbers. Remember this rule.
Ma'am?
You have to spell those numbers. Yes, Rudra Jajaria.
Ma'am, if we want to write the chapters, so we need to write the numbers to write the chapters.
I'm talking about grammar, darling.
Okay.
Ma'am, in grammar we write chapter punctuation.
So, for example, when you're writing a paragraph, an essay, then you don't write the digits. Okay, then you don't write the digits. When you're writing the address in a letter, then you write the digits. Got it, Rudra? When to write digits and when to write the spellings of the number? Okay, great. So the second sentence, yes, comma, that is Bobby's younger brother. Now, what is the purpose of a yes, comma? We are pausing that at that place. Okay, we are pausing at that place. Yes, that is Bobby's younger brother. So I'm not reading the comma, but I am pausing at that place. That's the purpose of a comma. Yes, that is Bobby's younger brother. So you know that there must be a comma there. That's why Catherine ma'am stopped there. I did not say, yes, that is Bobby's younger brother. Did I say that? No, I said, yes, that is Bobby's younger brother. Next, when we are introducing or talking to a person. So I will say, Rudra, pay attention in the class. So I paused there, right? Rudra got scared. So I paused there, right? Rudra, comma, pay attention in the class. So why did I pause? Because I will write a comma when I'm writing this sentence. Got it? Understood this much, children?
Yes, ma'am.
The next sentence is, everyone else stayed for the party, but Daniel left early. So we're putting
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, yes.
Everyone is writing in the chat box.
Who is writing? I'm going to remove them.
Ma'am, Lakshay is writing in a chat box.
Lakshay, you want me to remove you?
No, it is knowledgeable. Can you, after the class, you read?
Can we distribute this knowledge in the HRM class and not in my English class?
Okay, ma'am, sorry.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of recon?
Huh?
What's the meaning of recon? RECKON.
Please talk to your sir, Lakshay Thakral. He's your sir for today.
No, ma'am, he is not the sir. He is sirs.
Sir is Google.
Okay, let's finish the comma. Everyone else stayed for the
Ma'am?
party.
Ma'am, the sir left. The sir left the class.
Ma'am, Lakshay, ma'am, I told you now that the parrots are the smartest animal in the world because they have an extra brain cell. See what is written in Lakshay's paragraph. Amazon birds, smartest birds in the world.
Amazon parrot.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can talk this in the GK session, but there is no GK session.
Yeah.
Next is, we use an apostrophe to show belonging or the relationship between two things. We also use it in contractions. We have done this many a times. We say, I don't know. So we are contracting do not with a apostrophe, removing the O, right? So we are using that. Do not know, we make it don't know. So that's a contraction. All right. Shaina's boutique, or I say Ayush's book. So it is AYUSH apostrophe S book, to show that this book belongs to Ayush.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, they can't tomorrow.
So, ma'am, we can use it like you said Ayush's book. So, I can even elaborate it like Ayush's Harry Potter Part 5 book, which is, I don't forgot the name. We can also elaborate, na, in this sentence.
No, it's Order of Phoenix.
Order of the Phoenix. And we can also elaborate, na, which I'm working on, and I'm almost completed 800.
What, you want to name the book also?
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
know the other language named Latin.
I have nothing to say.
Ma'am, do you
So,
know
of
Mizu
course,
in Japanese is water?
what, Ayush?
Mizu in Japanese, Mizu is a water.
Okay.
Ma'am, crown is Corona in Latin.
Do people know there is a drink called Corona?
No.
Ma'am, take the attendance.
Soft drink
Ma'am, there is a
called
book.
Corona.
Ma'am,
Corona came
there is a
later.
bean
That drink
called
was
Corona
in
bean.
there.
Ma'am,
What?
there is a bean called Corona.
Corona bean.
Yes, there is a seed like that. There is a bean like kidney bean, and there is a Corona bean.
Oh, seriously?
Yes, ma'am. You can search it. It's a white color bean.
Ah.
Yes, ma'am, it's named Corona Extra.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
I can't believe
ma'am,
it.
take the attendance. There are only 17 of us.
Good, no? I've taken the attendance already.
No, 16. One is you
Ma'am, I
Why you
searched
here?
on Google
The
about
teacher,
that
ma'am.
Corona soft drink, and it came that coronavirus made people demand for coronavirus beer.
Ayush.
Yes.
I read
Who is it? Ekansh?
Ma'am, there is.
Ma'am, he read my part 2 book. Okay, then we'll negotiate another time. Exchange.
Exchange.
And I want to talk to Priyatla.
Ekansh is the next one that I want to convince.
No.
Now he is playing the drum.
I know.
No, I'm not playing the drum.
Okay.
He's playing
So
a table.
apostrophe is used to show possessiveness and to show belonging, that this thing belongs to that particular person, and it's also used in contraction. For example, she will becomes she'll, we will becomes we'll, they'll, I did becomes we did becomes short form, and those are called contractions. Okay, that's all, children. See you in the 12:30 class.
Bye.
Bye.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, you told that we have to speak a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Ma'am, I had learned and you didn't ask.
Array, it's in the speaking skills class.
Ma'am,
Ayush, I have the third.
12:30, Rudra, I will hear.
Ah, very
12:30.
good, very good.
yes.
Ma'am, I wanted to talk to Dhairya. Can I?
Ma'am,
my
we
sister
met
is
on
completed
12:20 also. 12:20 HRM.
12:30.